Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we are going to see a new function in Sim5X or even in Geodesic under the tool axis control. We have a new option for tool axis control in which the axis of the tool can now be guided by a surface. Earlier, the guide was either curves, point, tilted relative to a particular surface, drive surface basically, or other functions. But in 2023 version of SolidCAM, the tool can now stay normal to a particular surface which could be under the target and machine the target model. In this particular case, we have a target model in front of you. And if I look at my first geodesic toolpath in which I've created the tool axis to be tilted relative to the cutting direction, and if I play the toolpath, you see that the tool is almost like dancing because it's trying to stay normal to every surface that is possibly in there. Instead of this, what we have done here is, if I switch off the main model, we have created a dummy surface under that particular part. And in SolidCAM, under the tool axis control, we have a new option in which you could say that the tool can stay relative or tool can stay normal to that particular surface. So if I go to my tool axis control, you can see the tool axis direction is tilted relative to the reference surface. Let's look at this toolpath, how it runs on the simulation while keeping the target model on. And if we run the simulation now, it's much more smoother because it's following the surface at the bottom while machining the target on top. So this is a very, very important functionality to machine surfaces which are otherwise very difficult to keep the tool tilted to, because if there are many patches of surfaces, it's very difficult for the tool to be tilted to every surface. That creates a very jerky and unsmooth motion. Whereas when you have a smooth surface to which the tool can tilt to, it creates a much smoother motion on the machine. Thank you very much for watching.